You need to watch this if you've ever wondered why your pet sneezes every time you walk into the room. Could it be they're allergic to humans? Imagine this. Your beloved furry friend might not just be sneezing because of the spring flowers. They could be reacting to you. That's right, animals just like us can develop allergies to humans. The culprit? Our dead skin cells, also known as dander. Just like some of us react to cat or dog dander, these critters can have breathing difficulties and skin irritation because of us. So next time your pet sneezes or itches when you cuddle, remember, it might not be personal, it's just their immune system throwing a tiny, adorable tantrum.